Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel, Naija News and Entertainment, your number one channel for entertainment news and celebrity gossip happening around. For first time viewer, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit on the bell button to get new notifications when a story drop. Still on the ultimate love show, Kachi begs Aunty to bring Rosie's son so he could meet him. It was another couple section on Thursday with Love Aunty in the Ultimate Love reality television show, as she took time to make a review and progress between the love guests to ascertain the level of connection so far. It was indeed an eventful session for Love Aunty, asking the couple their challenges, affection and what of you. The interesting moment came when it was Rosie's turn to be interviewed by Aunty. Prior to the section, Kachi and Rosie were having a serious challenge before setting in. They let her slide as they professed love to themselves even in front of Aunty. Kachi made one demand from Aunty which stunned almost everyone. He asked if Aunty could bring Rosie's son to the love part so he could meet him. Wow, that's lovely. So guys, stay tuned to this channel for more updates on Ultimate Love, and if you're a new viewer, please don't forget to subscribe and hit on the bell button to get new notifications when the story drops.